Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica, Techno-Computa. So in this video I'm going to tell you how many RAM slots are there in your PC and the maximum RAM which can be put in your PC or can be installed in your PC. So just open taskbar, Control Shift Escape. If you press, you can open taskbar. Just maximize this and go to performance and then go to memory. Okay, so from here you can see slots used 1 of 1, which means in my PC I have only one slot, RAM slot. If you have like 2 or 3 slots, you'll be having your 2 or 4 or 3, something like this. And since in my PC I have only one slot, so it is showing 1. So now in order to check the maximum capacity of the RAM which can be installed in my PC, so just open CMD, press command prompt, just maximize this, and then now we have to type WMIC mem physical get max capacity. Just enter. So as you can see, this is the maximum capacity of the RAM which can be put in your PC, but this is in kilobytes. In order to get in GB, just open the calc and just copy this number first. Control Shift C, you can copy, and then Control V. This number has been copied. Just divide by 1024. So whatever number 8192 you have got, this is in MB. Now again divide by 1024. So whatever number you got, this is in GB. So the maximum capacity of my computer is 8 GB. Like 8 GB RAM can be installed in my PC. So in this way you can check the maximum capacity of the RAM which can be installed in your PC. So thank you for watching.